Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, we begin with a Primetime News follow-up. Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, George Wright, was questioned today by the police in relation to a video in which a man is seen assaulting a woman. The Hanover police have also made contact with the woman seen in the video. Investigators told our news center that she will also be questioned. Mr. Wright and the woman reportedly filed complaints with the police on April 6, the date of the reported incident. The Central Westmoreland MP is being represented by Abel Don Foote, who spoke with our news team this evening at the Freeport Police Station in Montego Bay, St. James, where his client turned himself in.
I don't have much to comment or say at this time. All I will say is that Mr. George Wright willfully came into the police. He was questioned and released without charge. And that is all we have to say for right now.
In the meantime, a man who said he's a supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party turned up at the Freeport Police Station. The man with a bell in hand stood alone as Mr. Wright was being questioned by the police. He said he was standing in solidarity with the MP.
I'm here to support Mr. Wright 100%. Because I know him as a businessman and I don't know him as that type of person. As a labourite to a labourite, I have to give him 100% support. Because I know for sure that Mr. Wright is not that type of person. Anybody can pass any form of allegation against Mr. Wright because he's a labourite. So I understand that. So I am here today supporting Mr. Wright.